Hi my loves, welcome back once again to my channel. My name is Oma in case you are tuning in for the first time. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can customize your own Afro bun net. In my last tutorial where I made an Afro bun wig, I was getting a lot of questions about how to get the Afro bun net. Some people were saying that it's not available in their area. Some people were saying that they cannot find it anywhere. So I now decided to share with you guys how you can customize your own Afro bun net with the available material you have within your area. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into the video. So the materials we'll be using for making the Afro bun net. Number one, net, black net, tailor's net. You can get this one from any tailor shop. The second one is our pair of scissors, our office pin, needle and thread for sewing it, our measuring tape for taking the measurements, clip, we'll be using two clips, elastic band, and our stopper. But if you don't have stopper, you can use bead. Alternatively, you can use bead for it as a stopper. So it's left for you to use the one that is available to you. It's either you use stopper or you use bead. So let's start. So finally, we've come to the end of today's video. Our Afro bonnet is here. So let me know in the comment section below if you'll be trying it out, okay? Thank you all for your massive support. Thank you all for your love. Please, if you've not liked this video, kindly give us a massive thumbs up, subscribe, and a comment if you haven't done so already. And we will see you in our next one.